7 reasons Google Ads fail roofers and how to fix them. Google Ads is the fastest way to light your money on fire if you don't know or if you think you know what you're doing. So we're hosting a live webinar and workshop. It's Thursday, the last Thursday, February 26th at 2 p.m. Central. Listen up. You're going to want to hear this. The biggest problem with roofing leads is not the number of leads you receive, it's the buyer's intent. Think about it. There's a huge difference between some guy or gal sitting on the can, scrolling through Facebook ads, autofilling forms, than a homeowner that just got half of her roof lopped off from yesterday's storm and needs an emergency tarp right here, right now. See what I mean? There's also a big difference from someone actively looking for a local roofer on Google Maps or AI ChatGPT versus some weird contact data that an AI bot scraped from God knows where off the internet, and some third-party vendor from Kazakhstan who's also a sheep herder is selling to 10 roofers simultaneously for 40 bucks a pop. Not all leads are created equal, and we're going to cover that. Number 1, let's kill the biggest lie in roofing marketing. You don't need leads. You need property owners looking for a new roof. High intent, period. Number 2, you don't need more leads. You're paying for data that does not convert. You understand what I'm getting at? It's not a traffic problem. It's a conversion problem. There's an old saying, garbage in, garbage out. And until you fix that, throwing more money at the problem is just like throwing it into a giant bonfire. Are you with me? Are you looking to solve this problem? Great. Join my webinar. If not, hit the bricks. Go watch some influencer kid on YouTube who's younger than me and better looking than me. Still with me? I'll break it down. I'll show you how Google Ads really work. The real version, the up-to-date version in the age of AI for 2026. If you don't understand how the auction works, how quality and relevance control your cost per new roof acquisition, then you're just throwing money at Google and praying that it works. Google doesn't reward the guy who spends the most. Although they greatly appreciate your money, they'll gladly take it. They reward the guy who structures it correctly, the guy who gets it right. That's the big difference between successful campaigns and complete failure. Next up, we'll discuss quality score. If your quality score sucks, your cost per click is going to be too much. Your cost per lead, you can't afford. Your profit margins, they're gone. Then you're so desperate just to sell that job that you just forked over hundreds or even thousands to Google to get that lead that you have to take anything just to break even. You're washing money. You're not making money. Then you blame it's the market, it's the tire kickers, it's a stupid salesperson, the marketing team, anyone but yourself. The answer is ad groups, they matter. Keywords, they matter. Ad copy, that matters. Landing pages matter. Sloppy campaigns burn money fast. Tight campaigns print money and save time. It's simple math, but it's not easy to pull off. I'm also going to show you actual examples, actual roofing campaigns, actual keywords, actual ad structure, actual landing pages that convert, stuff that you can either swipe and deploy and stop guessing, or come to the conclusion that, hey, your time is better spent on roofing and running your business and not becoming a Google Ads specialist. Finally, KPIs. If you're running Google Ads and you don't know your cost per new roof acquisition, you're gambling, and it's not responsible gambling. Never, and I mean never, should you spend $1 on paid ads without transparent tracking, call tracking, forms, roof inspections, instant roof quotes, invites to commercial bids, and most important, closed jobs. You have to track it all. Money in the bank. Know your numbers, know the strategy, and most importantly, know what you're doing. That's our webinar. If you want tricks and easy magic hacks, wrong webinar. If you want complete control over your ads so it doesn't control you, then you're in the right room. Looking forward to seeing you.